put on the head. That's with the head gasket, and this is with the B series mount, and it won't work there, and it's hitting right there. This is how a H series would sit in the engine bay, in an angle like that, so the headers will be perfectly aligned. It doesn't go up, it doesn't go down. The oil pan is all level, horizontally level. And then the intake manifold, there is no way that thing is gonna fit in there. Another information I need is make sure that it's gonna shut. So I think I'm good. Okay. Actually, you can see it with the light, I think. Oh, right here. Okay. And there's plenty of clearance right there. So if I do move it, I need to bring it down a little bit, I think. Otherwise, that's about half an inch, I think. Yeah. Okay. Or bring the motor down a bit. Okay, IACV is off. Let's see if I can put this on. Man, pardon the noise. The throttle position sensor is hitting. That's not gonna happen. Okay, let me just move this. Let's pretend everything is on there. Okay. Oh, now this thing is okay. Alright. That's how much clearance right there. The only way it will work is if I move all of those brake lines, and it's not happening. It's not gonna happen. No. And that's without the gasket. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Sagitnet 2. This is the Semiplate G2B H2B build. The previous day, all I did is nothing but collecting data. And to cut the story short, when I had this motor installed with the B series engine mounts, everything, the drive line all lined up and everything, I was fighting for a space on the intake manifold for 2 days, first and the second day. But by the end of yesterday, even though I have a small amount of clearance here, there is an intake manifold that I can use, which is the intake manifold that I have on Snow White, the K20 or RBC intake manifold that I did. I will show it to you guys later on. Right now the engine is set up using the full H22 swap on EK, and just like what I have before, the G23, the turbo one. And there's plenty of space here. There's about 12 inches of space in between right here, which is perfect for a Euro R intake manifold, or any, I think Skunk 2 will fit in there too, maybe barely. So that's the one, that's the problem I'm debating right now. Well, it's not really a problem, but it's just the execution. I need a definite answer on how to execute it. That I'm just gonna stay using the B series alignment right here, align the drive line, and don't worry about the intake manifold. Or start from scratch, which is move it about 1 inch away from the B series original location, and fabricate all the bracket I need. Yeah, that's the one that I'm deciding right now. But after I have measured the distance from there to the valve cover, which is 11 inches, depending on how much this motor lean. Okay, like I said, I have 12 inches on there from the intake manifold mount location to here, right there. It's more than 12 inches. And now let's go to Snow White. So I'm just going to align the handle to the valve cover from there, right, and then right there. Yeah, so you can see that's only 9 inches. Yeah, I do have like plenty of space. I got 2 inches right here. So if I put it here, from the cylinder head, right there, there, okay, over 9 inches. So if I put the ruler on the mounting location, it will be more. So that's more than 9 inches from the valve cover if I do it this way. There, 9 inches. Now I have that space right there. So I think that's it. That is the key to my decision making. What I was thinking about for the last 2 days, I want this thing to be versatile. With all that space, that I wanted to use a different intake manifold, but I said to myself, this is H2B or G2B. It is known to have a RBC intake manifold. It was built that way. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So I probably lower this a little bit, the transmission, maybe half an inch or a quarter inch. Well, we'll see how it goes. But yeah, I finally got the decision, or now I finally have a direction where I'm going. And this one, it will be totally, those 2 mounts will be totally custom. All right, so wish me luck. That's a B series transmission mount. The drive lines all aligned to the knuckle. This is the space that I was telling you guys about. Now it measured to the valve cover 10 inches, and all I need really is 9 inches. So I got 1 inch of space here in between the intake manifold. So I'm all good. So I got all the information I need. There's no reason I should not be able to finish this for today, I think. We'll see how it goes. But man, I'm so excited on getting this thing all buttoned up and everything. But like what I've been saying before, take your time. I should take my time. Yeah, no second chance, man. Got a little bit of a progress here. That's already secured. What I did is I moved the hole about half an inch towards the left, and then there's the transmission. There's clearance there, and for this side there's clearance there too. The one bolt right there, I don't know if you can see it, but let me see if I can stick a right there, that one bolt right there. And my space, I still have 11 inches, which is perfect. I'm all straight here. The car is leveled, so is the motor. So now I'm working on the front side. I'm thinking of using that F23 bracket. I think it's just needed a little bit of a massaging. I think I could this one hole right there, right at the center, it almost lined up to this. So I'm gonna use that as a reference. That's where I'm going to tie this mount. But it's just a little bit too high. That's the problem. It's just that the hole is a little bit off and it's in an angled. So I'm gonna try to shave it or something, see what happens, and then maybe I'll just brace it afterwards. I gotta try something.